COP26 is the Conference of Parties to the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change that came in 1992. Uh, the summit that is happening at Glasgow this year is the 26th iteration of the conference. Hence, that's why we use 26 next to COP. Um, During the Conference of Parties, nations get together and try and address the question about dealing with climate change and how to do it in a manner that's conducive to the developmental needs of the developing countries as well as the developed world. The climate conferences are attended by representatives from the nation states, from the developed world as well as the developing world. In addition, civil society organizations, the corporate sector, academics, and members from the public society also come in and join the side events during such conference of parties. Uh, this is to generate a healthy debate around addressing the challenges posed by climate change. The purpose of organizing the Conference of Parties in Glasgow this year is to address the mandate of the Paris Climate Agreement, which happened in 2015. Members from the developing countries as well as the developed world are coming together and taking a stock of where we stand collectively in terms of addressing the global challenge of the climate crisis, as well as negotiating terms of agreement vis-a-vis the coming decade. At Glasgow, Pakistan is trying to do two things. Number one is trying to highlight the initiatives it has taken to mitigate climate change and address the climate crisis. And secondly, it's trying to see where the technical and financial resources can be brought in to further address the challenges that Pakistan is facing vis-a-vis the climate crisis. Now, we're going to be highlighting the Billion Tree Tsunami, for example. We're going to be highlighting the Recharge Pakistan program. At the same time, we'll be requesting the developed world to help us by financial means, through technical means, to address the challenges that the climate crisis is posing across the country. I think we should all care if the world is getting warmer. We can already see the impacts that a warmer world has on a developing country like Pakistan. So in the north, we can see glacial lake outburst floods. We can see urban flooding. We can see heat waves. We see droughts on a regular basis. We are being affected by sea level rise. And all of these impacts are affecting the communities, not only in Pakistan, but across the world in varied ways. Hence, it is our duty to come together and address this challenge at the earliest.